It's summertime and we are ready to have the wind in our hair with the doors off, and we'll be taking the top off here shortly. However, to make sure that you're safe and in compliance with your local laws, be sure that you find out what types of mirrors are required on your Jeep when you have the doors pulled off. Today, I'm going to be installing a pair of Kikbax. These are some mirrors that actually have a foot peg on the bottom so that when you're driving down the road, you've got a nice footrest when you have your doors off. So let's get to it. We'll take a look at how they install and go from there. So the cool thing about these Kikbax mirrors is that they actually have 3 points of connection for your Jeep, which helps keep them a little bit more stable. So both of these pins will slide into the hinge slots, and then this tab right here actually goes into the limiting strap hook, which is where your limiting strap connects when you have your door on. Now, to get started on this install, you're going to need to remove this plastic trim cover where your door limiting strap used to connect. To mount these up, again, very simple. You take these 2 pins, they slide into your hinge mounts, okay? And then this tab, you'll see if you rotate it, it's going to strike right where your limiter strap hook is. So when it hits that, we're just gonna go ahead and lift up a little bit, slide it all the way back behind there, and push down. And it's gonna click into place, and now you've got a nice sturdy mirror. Last step in the process is to actually mount the mirror. To do that, you'll see on the back of the mirror, they've included the 12 millimeter nut here. We'll go ahead and take that off. Line that up onto the hole. I'm going to take a 12 millimeter deep socket. Just gives me a little more space to work. You probably get away with a shallow socket, but make sure that's nice and tight. All right, everybody, so last step, make sure that you get in your driver's seat, adjust your mirrors so that you can see what you need to see. Get out there, have fun, be safe, and please stay on the trails.
So what are your thoughts on these Kikbax mirrors?
So yeah, so far so good. I'd give them 2 thumbs up. We'll see how they hold up. Like I say, I mean, this is our first trail ride with them, so we'll test them out and I'll let you know if they fall off, but so far so good.